Hello, folks and professionals. Let's welcome back. Another important, small learning, but you can try this observation. Okay, let's learn what is a note for schedule lines in sales order. Have you observed this field? Schedule lines note. What is the importance of this? Especially, if you try to track imbalance of your quantities and different schedule lines for a certain line you can able to find. I think you don't understand anything now. So I'll explain you what is the significance for your observation. So there is nothing new to explain. VA01 is sales order creation, VA02 is sales order change. You can able to find anywhere, wherever you want it to. Before going ahead, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently, I'm holding 800 plus videos, okay, for your service. And if you really love it, you love it. If you like it, I will do more videos. Whatever the knowledge I have, I'm transferring in two forums. My second forum is Udemy. Here I'm holding 6,258 students and plus 1,000 reviews. If you observe this, these are the different courses. This is one of my top SD courses. I'll try to add input this tip also over there. These are the two courses must doable by every consultant before getting into the real time. One is for idoc training with business and getting master to write functional specification. You can able to give a try these two courses. You must have to do these two courses, and this one is for pricing if you really are interested. Like different courses available, including SD and S4 HANA, few topics, and you can give a try. Okay, let me try to get into the SAP to give more explanation about this. Okay, let's try to create a sales order now. Okay, fine. And take any customer, no matter. Okay, and let's take this quantity, maybe take little more quantity. Not 1,000, let's take 100. So double click here. So before going ahead, this is there. If you go to the procurement tab, you can see this note schedule lines. Okay, this is the field we are going to learn this. What exactly it is? So note schedule lines, how it will be useful, I will explain you theoretically and I will tell you. Like if you try to increase the quantity, if you have more schedule lines, the tick is on. So when you have a tons of line items, suppose 100 line items, assume that more than 5 schedule lines, okay, 5 schedule lines for each line, 5 different delivery dates you are going to deliver. Such a case, what happens out of 500? So one line got created a problem, then how would you come to know? So these 5 lines, what happens for these 5 lines into 100 means 500 schedule lines will be in that. The problematic one, if you would like to track it, it's very difficult. So you can use these kind of fields. 1 second, let me show you this one. Let's go to the first tab, and this 100 quantity, I'm double clicking here. So go to the schedule lines tab. Okay, let's try to increase quantity or split quantity. Okay, so how the quantity will be increased also, you can able to see this. We not directly increase there, for example. So let's take, this is 630. So let's take in July 14th. Probably I will increase some quantity like somewhere like 20. Okay, I'll take another line, probably somewhere here 17th. So I will increase another 15 quantity. So when you see this, so this, apart from this 100 quantity, I have added two schedule in 100 plus 20 plus 120 plus 15, 135. Okay. If you go back and if you see this, the quantity increased to 135. This trick everybody knows. Okay. But what is our learning? If you see in procurement tab, see, the tick will be there. This is how you can able to find it out. You can able to observe the things. If you really wanted to learn field by field, you'll try to choose my Udemy course. Anyhow, am I explaining the maximum in Udemy? Also 800 plus videos, you can able to give it a try. For example, if you save this, I'm good. So then if I try to create a delivery now, okay, what is the date? When you press this date, okay, what it is saying? So you immediately will get a note. If you would like to deliver 135 quantity, what is the note all about? You can able to see this. Okay. So just go to edit and check the log. What is in the goods issue is planned for 7/17 has been moved to this one. That means if you are trying to deliver, this is the minimum date, okay, in your schedule lines. So the date of total quantities in stock is available. I can able to do the delivery. Okay, you know very well, like if different schedule lines, if you'd like to deliver, instead of splitting the sales order, schedule line agreement is the best solution. Certain times they will ask a question like, if you would like to deliver by using the single sales order on different schedule lines, okay? Different schedule lines with the different quantities or same quantities with the different dates, okay? So scheduling agreement is the solution. Somebody might ask entry question. It's out of the topic. It's my responsibility to explain you over here. Let's choose this. Let's choose the 135 quantity and choose the PCA. This is how you have to observe each and every pin of your OTC process. In this way, you can able to learn. Okay. So I think, so probably like you have learned something. If you really like this video, if you would like to get more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel. This is my Udemy dedicated forum. You can able to give a try. Okay. So what's more, thanks so much for joining the session. I'll keep in touch with you. Stay tuned with my channel for further learning. If you have any doubts, you can comment. I'll try to do my best to get back the things on YouTube forum also. Thank you so much. Jai Bharat. Have a great day. All the best, guys. All the best.